Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Michael Moore here with the Moore Law Firm. And today is June the 1st. Does anybody know what June the 1st means? June the 1st is the beginning of the Atlantic hurricane season. That season will go from June the 1st to November the 30th. And here at the Moore Law Firm, as hopefully everybody knows, that we handle all your insurance claims and dealing with insurance issues. And I just wanted to mention a few things here today about insurance and what to think about for 30 seconds before you get busy doing other things. But something very important on hurricane claims in your insurance, and I would suggest to call your agent as soon as possible and ask him these questions about your deductible on hurricane claims, because we find many times, we saw this on Hurricane Hannah, people didn't realize their deductible was so high for a hurricane claim, and significantly, some of the deductibles were so large it was almost more than the replacing the roof, and people just didn't know. So deductible, so important, folks. Sometimes it's a set number. Sometimes it is a percentage of your policy limits. So it's just very important to have a conversation with your agent or call the insurance company and just be aware of your deductible. And if you're okay with a deductible that's significantly high, then when we have a claim, just be aware of that. I just want to put a little warning out there, everybody, to be aware with that. Now, right now, there are no hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico. And so you have the right to modify your insurance policy as long as there's no hurricane within, I believe, the next 30 days. So it's still early on in the season. I know there's one over in Florida, and there was one over there in South America on the Pacific side. That shouldn't really affect us here. But I would highly recommend having a conversation with your insurance agent and making sure you're prepared and you understand your deductible is more than what a regular deductible would be for a regular event. So that's about insurance. Make sure you have coverage. Make sure you know your deductible. And of course, just being prepared out there. I mean, as a good Boy Scout, I was always told to be prepared. And so I would say the same for you. Of course, with the pandemic, everybody's probably stocked up on a little bit of toilet paper and paper towels and stuff like that. We've learned to do that. But it's important to go ahead and stock up on some water products, some canned food, and those sorts of things. And oh boy, we've gone through a lot here in Texas between the pandemic and then with the big freeze last year. We understand it's important to be a little prepared, as well as remember there are ERCOT's already out there talking about raising your air conditioner up so you don't use so much electricity. So we're not out of the woods yet, guys. So spend a few minutes, be a little prepared. I saw this morning news that some of the local cities around were making sandbags available. So that you can fill sandbags. Make sure you take proof of your residency, such as your water bill or those sorts of things. And I understand that they'll allow you to take some sandbags. So just kind of want to reach out to everybody to be aware of all that. Now listen, we had a bunch of storms recently, and we've had several storms this past spring. And so I would highly recommend not wait around for a hurricane. It's take a few minutes and go around your house and look around for any wet spots on your ceilings or any torn shingles, any lifted shingles. Just go outside and look. If you have any lifted shingles, give us a call. We can give you a hand. We can help you file your claim. So if you had any lifted shingles or if you have any wet spots on your ceilings, there's a very good chance that your roof is compromised. And just like if you have a car accident and you have a messed up bumper or fender or whatever it might be, you have insurance for those damages. The same thing, you have insurance for the damages for your roof or for the ceiling or those sorts of things, because a storm is a covered event under your insurance policy. And so it's important that you get those claims going now before the hurricane season starts moving forward, because the last thing you want to do is say, oh, I got a little bit of damage, and then we have a hurricane, and what it does is just makes the existing damages a little bit worse. Well, now you've got a problem with your deductible. You could have claimed that damages today with a significantly reduced deductible than you would have if you waited for a storm to hit and wait. Now you've got your deductibles 2 times more. And this is money out of your back pocket. And so, let's just be smart folks out there. If you can't file a claim, you're worried about filing a claim, or you're intimidated by the insurance companies, so you need a little help, give us a call. That's what we do here. We're not intimidated with the insurance companies. That's what we do every day of the week. We sue them. We make sure that our clients get made whole for their damages, and that's what we do. And we can give you a hand on that. We can give you tips on that and what to do. And if they don't treat you right, we'll give you a free second opinion. A free second opinion on your property damage to make sure you're being treated fairly for your damages. Again, my name is Michael Moore with the Moore Law Firm. Our number here is 956-400-0000. Now remember, folks, we're doing this. We did this last week. Our last week's winner was Lucy Cisneros from Corpus Christi. And she won a $100 gas card. And you say, well, what do I got to do to get a piece of that action, huh? So all you got to do, Facebook people, is get on Facebook. If you're not already on there already, because you're watching me, you're on Facebook, guys. All you got to do is go to our page, and you have to like us, and you have to share that with another friend. That's what you got to do. And then you get registered for the drawing that we'll do this Friday. And I just saw the other day, it was like $4.20 a gallon for regular gas. I mean, my gosh, that adds up. I mean, if you're a commuter or whatever, I mean, if you're filling up your tank once or twice a week, that's a lot of money out of your back pocket. So go to the website, get registered. We'll do it this Friday. And if you have any questions about your insurance, dealing with the insurance, or if you're recently involved in a car accident, quit trying to do these claims on your own. Why? Because as with the lawyer, I promise you, we're going to get the maximum amount allowed by law for your claim. And that's at least 2 to 4 times more if you're not even represented by a lawyer. Why? Because we know how to fight the insurance companies. That's what we do. We know how to fight those guys. We know their dirty tricks. We know what they pull on you guys. And so if it is your home claim or your personal injury claim or a big truck accident, give us a call. That's what we do here at the Moore Law Firm. We can take it to the fight to these guys. And so anyways, I wanted to get in front of you guys before the day is out. Today is the first day of hurricane season. The season lasts up on November 30th. If you don't have insurance for your house or you're not sure, you've got to act on it now before there's a hurricane out in the Gulf of Mexico and you're stuck. Okay, guys? Again, my name is Michael Moore at the Moore Law Firm. We have offices here throughout the Rio Grande Valley. Our number here is 956-400-0000. Listen, we work throughout South Texas, to the Gulf Coast, as throughout the entire state of Texas. There's been hailstorms up north, tornadoes. We do this work. We know how to take the fight. We've got the experts, and we want to make sure you're being treated fairly. And that's what we do. If we give you a free second opinion, and if you're being treated fairly, we don't charge you a fee. If you're not being treated fairly, we'll go after the insurance company, and we're going to make the insurance company pay for those attorney's fees. That's right. Anyways, my name is Michael Moore, the Moore Law Firm. And again, one more time, go to the Facebook page for the $100, register for the $100 gas card, and that is you have to share the post and like and do those sorts of things. The instructions are all there. And shout out to Lucy Cisneros for winning last week. In conclusion, give us a call. You have any questions about your claim? We're here to help. Again, Michael Moore, the Moore Law Firm, 956-400-0000. Signing off now. You guys have a great afternoon. Be safe out there, and y'all take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. For more legal tips and tricks, or to find out if you need a lawyer, check out these videos right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for updates, giveaways, and more free legal resources from Moore Law Firm.